Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, find the smallest letter greater than target. So you are given an array of characters, letters that is sorted in non-decreasing order and a character target. There are at least two different characters in letters. Return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than target. If such a character does not exist, return the first character in letters. So let's see the example. So you are given C, F, J, and the target is A, output is C. So because in Python, we can compare alphabet, and A is the smallest and D is the biggest. So in this case, so we can find a character that is lexicographically greater than target. So that means C. So lexicographically greater than means, I think, next bigger character, I believe. So in this case, that's why output is C. Okay, so let's jump into the code directly. So because so we can compare alphabet and letters is sorted in non-decreasing order. So that means we can use a binary search, right? And in the end, so left position is like a return value. So okay, let's begin. So left equals 0 and right equal length of letters minus 1. So we initialize 2 pointers and start looping while left is less than or equal right. In the case mean, so calculate the minimum, not minimum, middle pointer. So left plus right divide 2. And if letters middle is less than or equal target, in the case move left equal middle plus 1, else right equal middle minus 1. And then after that, if left position equal length of letters, that means so there's no like a letter that is lexicographically greater than target. So that means we should return first letter. So letters and 0. And else return letters and left. Yeah, that's it. So let me submit it. Looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of log n, where n is the number of elements in the letters list. So this is because this solution code uses binary search to find the next greatest letter. So that's why. And the space complexity of this solution should be order of 1. So we use like a just a simple variables, left and right, and we don't use extra data structure. So that's why space complexity is O1. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.